it, and I'm in love with Nivea cream. No. Yeah, this is the cream. This is how it look like. You see, I've opened it already. No, you just see. You see, I've started using it. You see, this is this like the third cup I'm using for this face cream. This is the third one I'm using. Yeah, you see, it's very good and nice, and wow, I love the scent. Even the scent alone, I took go back do at all. Uh-huh. We are here to talk about monitoring friends. All those friends where they monitor you, wey be say that they try to leak your secret come outside. Those friends, they even worse than the devil. They worse pass devil. Devil even better pass them. Any friend wey be say no dey contribute to your life, no be your friend. Any friend wey need your downfall, no be your friend. Any friend wey be say no wan make you better pass am, no be your friend. Any friend be say no dey advise you for good thing, no be your friend. Any friend wey dey spoil your relationship, that friend no be your friend. Any friend be say she dey know your secret, she or he dey know your secret, dem dey know everything about you, but they dey keep their own from you, they are not your friend. Dem dey collect your own, dey add join their own. Friend wey be say dem dey draw your destiny go back, no be friend. They are not friends. Mind the kind of people you made as friends. Any friend, no be by say you don tey when dey waka together, na friend for so many years, na friend. Even the friend wey you make today fit better pass the one wey you don make since 90 gbigidi. The friend wey you make today go better pass the one wey you don make since 90 gbigidi. You understand? All those friends wey be say they go come dey monitor you, dey smell your yarn, dey smell how you take pull left for ground, dey smell everything about you. They even worse pass devil. They worse pass devil. They are evil. As the original evil, the original one, na im they be. They don't be fake evil, the original evil, na im they be. If you get friend, the friend not good for you, cut him or her off. Cut them off. Cut the friend off. Even though you don't tell me say you are the friend they waka, cut them off. Those are not be your friend. Any friend they spoil your relationship, not be your friend. Any friend be say you don't need your happiness, not be your friend. Any friend be say always value about themselves, they not value about you, not be your friend. Stay away from those friends. Cut them off. My dear, they don't they pay money put. They don't they take from the field before you feel cut them off. Cut them off instantly. If you know say the friend they not good to you, they know they contribute to your life. Now friend will be say you they get them, you know they get better thing for hand. Friend will be say if you deal with them, you know they feel say you deal with human being. Cut them off. Those are not be friends. Now friends will they destroy person destiny. Those are not demonic friends. Demonic friends. They even worse pass devil. Devil in yourself. Devil they are Abekuta now, just they operate for Abekuta. We just dey here they tell say that the devil na be the this, and devil na do that, the devil na do this. Not be devil. Devil not do anything. Not say if your friend come off, if the friend will come do the thing finish, you say don't be offended. It's devil handwork. Which devil? Devil, how many devil you get? Not be one devil. Devil reach 10. I be devil reach 20. How the devil can't enter you? You know see other people when they do evil, we say devil go enter, and you will be the friend I can enter. You say that the devil handwork. Make the devil continue the rule for the life now. I dey beg una, any friend will not good to una, may not cut them off. Those friends not be friend. Any friend we say you need una downfall, may not cut them off. All those are not be friends. They are demonic friends. Cut them off, let them go. If they cannot stay away from you, you stay away from them. They know they take form before you cut them off. There are people you will call friend, not people who does not deserve your own friend. There are many people don't be say they are ready to be your friend, but their friends is just to come and be smelling your nyash, smelling everything about you. When they want to gossip for outside. All those are not be friends. Any friend, when they call your boyfriend or they call your husband to be, when they call your husband, say he won't come inside. You know what may her friend know even they date the man. You know what I mean? No, that friend not be your friend. Cut them off instantly. That will not be your friend. Now evil friend. That one just come destroy you. Any friend, when they spoil your relationship, as we dey here so, make God expose that friend. Make God see let that friend relationship see spoil, stay dey spoil your own. Any friend where they plan even against us, make God expose am. Make God let that evil go back to sender to that friend. Not everybody you see you call their friends. They are friends inside friends.